In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add layers in Pixlr step by step, whether you're using Pixlr E or Pixlr X. Layers are one of the most important tools in photo editing because they let you build your design without permanently changing the original image. That means you can add text, place extra images on top, create effects, and edit each part separately with much more control. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Pixlr E or Pixlr X, depending on which version you want to use. Once the editor loads, open your base image. This is the main image you want to edit, and it will serve as the starting point for everything else you add. You can usually upload a file from your computer or open an existing project if you've already started working on one. Now that your image is open, take a look at the right side of the screen. You should see the Layers panel sitting vertically along that side. This panel is where all of your edits are organized. If you're working with more than one element, each item will usually appear on its own layer, which makes it much easier to move, hide, duplicate, or adjust individual parts of your design. To add a new layer, look at the bottom or top of the Layers panel for the plus sign, or the Add Layer button. Click that plus button to open the layer options. This is the main step that lets you create something new on top of your current image without affecting the original background. After clicking the plus button, Pixlr will give you a few layer type choices. If you want to place another picture over your base image, choose Image. This is useful for overlays, logos, stickers, product shots, or any additional visual element you want to include. If you want to write on your image, choose Text. That will let you add titles, labels, captions, or other typography directly into your design. If you just want a blank layer to work with, choose Empty. This is helpful if you want a clean layer for painting, drawing, editing, or applying effects without adding anything visible right away. Once you select the type of layer you want, Pixlr will add it to your project and you can start editing it right away. The new layer should appear in the Layers panel, usually above the base image. From there, you can click it to make sure it's selected, then move it around, resize it, or make changes depending on what type of layer you created. A quick tip here. Always keep your layers organized as you work. If you add multiple images, text boxes, or effect layers, it can get messy fast. Naming layers when possible and keeping your main image at the bottom will save you the time later, especially if you need to make changes or fix something in your design. And that's it. You now know how to add layers in Pixlr using the Layers panel and the plus button. It's a simple process, but once you understand it, you unlock a lot more creative control inside the editor. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Pixlr tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.